Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Inform video. So yes, I'm finally back, back home at least from the hurricane. So I just came back today, guys. Well, yesterday night. So just getting set back up. Had to do a little bit of grocery shopping since all the food went bad. And yeah, I finally got power and internet and everything. So I gotta reset up all my studio and stuff since we moved everything. But hopefully it's going good, guys. So yeah, let's get into today's video. You guys have been hitting me up like crazy, telling me about this new phone that's on Boost Mobile. Guys, like I said, I've been trying to catch up, but now I will catch up just because I'm back home. But just because I was in, in Florence, I drove about 9 hours yesterday to come back to here. So my leg is shot. It hurts so bad from driving and stuff. But onto the video, guys. That was just a little bit of how Hurricane Florence did. So everything's fine. The family's fine. Power did come finally back yesterday because it's really hot. But like I said, let's get into today's video. So guys, as you can see, here we go. Here's Boost Mobile. They're having their fall sales event. So you can save 20% off all new Androids. Use promo code FALL 2018. But what the real reason is here we go. If you go to phones and then Android, you will see that Boost Mobile just added the LG G6, which is a flagship phone from about, I believe, last year, maybe 2 years ago. Let's see, release date. Let's see when this phone came out. So February, yeah. So wow. So last year, February. So yeah, a little bit over a year now, I guess. It came out February 2017. So last year, like I said, pretty good phone, and it's finally on Boost Mobile. You can actually get it from them. You don't have to flash it or do anything like that. So it says you can save. Remember, you can save an extra 20% off this. So you're already getting it at $330 off. But LG G6, guys, for a real honest, I would say budget-wise, maybe mid-range price, at $270 for a flagship phone that was $600. That's pretty good, guys. You know, you're saving almost half off on that phone. But let's go ahead and see what makes this phone really good and if it's worth picking up still. So the screen is a 5.7 inch, rear, the camera's a 13 megapixel, talk time's 28 hours, storage is 32 gigabytes, and Android 8.0. Pretty sure it's probably updated a little bit more now. So here we go. Here's what the phone looks like. So pretty good. Wow. So silver. It looks silver. They're probably called some other. Wow, look at that. The dual cameras, guys. Wow, look at that. So let's go ahead and see it. So same thing. See more, hold less. The LG G6 packs a 5.7 inch full vision display and an attractive sleek package and comfortable fits one hand, unlike other phones with similar screen size. Capture the bigger picture. The LG G6 lets you capture life's most memorable moments like never before. Enhance in image quality and performance, make expansion, panoramas, group shot, and selfie easier than ever. Built for the unexpected. So this phone is rated IP68. Wow. Sealed against dust and water, up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. Wow, guys, that's pretty cool. So let's look at the specs. So battery life, wow, look at that, 3,300 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 28 hours, non-removable. Memory, 4 gigabytes of RAM, guys. 4 gigabytes of RAM. That is crazy. 32 gigs of ROM, which is, of course, storage, with support up to an external micro SD card up to 2 terabytes. LG is the only crazy company that I know can go up to 2 terabytes so far. Qualcomm Snapdragon 821, 2.35 gigahertz plus 1.6 gigahertz. Qualcomm quad-core custom 64-bit Qualcomm Cryo. Wow. So it doesn't have, flagship processor. It is Snapdragon 821. So I guess last year's was an 835, I believe. This year's like 845 or something like that. So 821's not bad. So it is at least a pretty good, processor. Android 8.1 Oreo. The dual camera's a 13 megapixel wide angle rear camera with a 5 megapixel wide angle front camera. So it's pretty good. I love cameras, so hopefully I might get this phone and pick it up and maybe do a review, see if it's worth it on Boost Mobile. Then we saw 5.7 inch quad HD or QHD plus full vision display at 2880 by 1440. Wow, so even better than 1080, guys. Look at that. So pretty good, guys. This is the kind of stuff that I was telling you guys now that this phone is so priced with the budget phones that Boost Mobile has been coming out with, what do you think? This is competing with LG Stylo 4 Plus, of course, the Samsung J7 Refine because it's at 2 something, I think 210 or something like that. So now with the savings, let's go ahead and see how much you would get on it. So if it costs, let's just say $270, and then you do times 20%. Wow, it's gonna knock off $54. So not bad. Look at this price, guys. At $216 plus taxes, it's well, in my eyes, it's better than the LG Stylo 4 Plus, especially with those specs, the camera, water resistant and all that stuff, dust resistant, the big battery, of course, and just flagship, better processor too, Snapdragon 821. So that is pretty good, guys. 4 gigs of RAM is definitely better than 3 gigs of RAM, especially if you're into gaming and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, LG does make pretty good phones. Let me know in the comments below what you think for this price, especially with a promotion that, remember, costs $270, but you can get it at $216 plus taxes. Is it worth it? And for me, I think it's probably the best budget phone right now for that price. That's going to beat anything that Boost Mobile currently has. So shout outs to Boost for bringing this guy. So please comment, rate, subscribe if you want to support the channel and help me rebuild a little bit. You can view my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They do offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot for only $60 a month. But if you use my promo code Sanchez45973 and my link, you have to click my link, then my promo code, you will save $5. So thank you guys, and I do get a little bit of kickback, so helps the channel either way. Thank you.